In this video, I'm gonna fix or actually replace a normal tire into a solid tire, which means you don't have to worry about flats anymore. This is a Go-Trex, and this is the solid tire I'm gonna replace and put it on the rear wheel. Let's go. Secure the workpiece on the scooter stand. These are the tools you're gonna need: Allen keys, tire levers, and a big screwdriver, also used as a tire lever. Remove the side covers, so you can access the axle bolt. Left rear see. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Same thing on the other side. This is the axle bolt, also opened with a Allen key. Now this should just slide out like that. Sometimes it gets stuck, so you have to remove the brake caliper or the fender. This time it just came out. Now you have to remove the disc so you don't bend it. Remove the screws in a star pattern. Don't lose the screws. Put them in a magnetic tray or something. Remove the cap from the valve. Now using the tire levers, just slide it in there. Just like that. You're trying to lift up the first bead, then the tire should come out easily. To remove the tire, it's easier to remove it opposite to the valve. You may need to put more weight on it. I like to use my body weight to remove the tire easily. There we go. Now the easiest way to playing around. The easiest way to put the tire on is to heat it up in a microwave or boil it in water. I'm using a microwave. I'm going to put this one for 2 minutes. Just using some soapy water to make it easier to slide on. Be careful, it's actually hot. I almost burned my hands. You can put it in a vise, or you can just put it on the ground like that. And there we go. That's the technique. Make sure you press the like button if you like this video. I'm just using the holes to bead it properly. The other side. It's almost done now. Make sure you put the tire and the disc in the right direction, in the direction of the spin of the wheel. Now put in the screws in a star pattern and tighten them. There's a flat spot on the axle which slides in into the frame like that. Put in the bolts, tighten them properly. Make sure the wheel spins freely. It's beautiful. Make sure you press the like button if you like this video. Put in the side covers and you're done. Thanks for watching.